speaking practice for the past simple. Listen to the sentence, then pause the video and repeat after me. Think about the structure we studied. Train your brain to master the past simple. Let's begin. Where did you go during the summer holidays? We went to Greece. It was fabulous. It was roasting, so I took off my coat. The party lasted 10 hours. We got home at around 3 a.m. and slept straight away. Where did you learn how to play the guitar? My older brother gave me lessons last year. Then I found a private tutor. Did you visit the Statue of Liberty in New York? Of course we did. It was incredible. Steve Jobs created Apple in 1976. He started the company in his garage. Daniel is extremely busy, so I didn't disturb him. When you were at school, were you a good student? Laura spent so much money last weekend. She bought a really expensive dress and new shoes. The lady fell over and broke her arm. She went to the hospital in an ambulance. As we relaxed on the grass, the birds flew above us in the clear blue sky. It was so peaceful. Did you see Tony today? He borrowed one of my books, but didn't return it to me. In many people's eyes, Muhammad Ali was the greatest boxer ever. How was the weather in Barcelona? Did you see any of Gaudi's gorgeous architecture? The meal we had at the new Italian restaurant was delicious, and it didn't cost much. The roads were so icy this morning, so I didn't drive to work. I walked instead. What did you do at the weekend? Jack and I took a short trip to Cornwall. We stayed there for one night and then came back the next day. Man first landed on the moon in 1969. It was an amazing feat of human ingenuity.